Standing up to 4 feet tall and with a wingspan of up to 7.5 feet, great blue herons are an impressive bird. As it turns out, their favorite food is fish, which isn't all that surprising, but they'll also eat just about any small critter they can catch. The bird pictured here is doing something called neck swaying, moving its neck back and forth, but keeping its head stock still. It is thought that this behavior is meant to entice small movements of their prey. All the while though, the heron's head remains ready to strike. In this area, along the South Saskatchewan River, I've seen the same pair of great blue herons for the last few years now. With spring finally on its way, I'm hoping to see this pair return for yet another season, so I can take a few more pictures of these amazing birds.